This right here is the section that has ended Max Anstie's season, and that is coming from Vital MX saying, quote, Max Anstie will miss the remainder of the 2025 Monster Energy AMA Supercross with a broken fibula. Now, obviously, this sucks. You never want to see anybody get injured, especially a title contender. Coming into Birmingham, he was 1 point behind Tom Vial, so he was right in it at one point, was the points leader. And now, well, it's irrelevant. I think he's fourth in points now, but with a broken leg or a broken bone in his leg, he's he's not coming back. At least not for this season, or at least the end of this season. And it also puts a big bummer on the rest of his year. I mean, this late into the Supercross season, we've got what, 6 rounds left with Pro Motocross starting May 24th. It's going to be hard for him to, one, heal from this, two, get back fully into race fitness and be ready for that. And it sucks. I mean, obviously, he was having a great year, being a title contender, being the red plate runner for a while, and being only 1 point down coming into this race. You probably had to figure it was between him and Vial. Like, he was having a really good year. And one little misstep on a section, and there it goes. You can tell immediately he knew, holding his leg. It's just one of those things that the pain, the instant snap, you'd have to feel that. Like, something is immediately wrong. It's not a twisted knee or something like that. That kind of feeling, if you've ever broken a bone, you know exactly what it is. And it sucks for him, sucks for the team. I mean, obviously they were looking like Yamaha was going to have the sweep this year, or at least had the chance of the sweep with Deegan and Cooper Webb and Anstie, and sadly there. Now, from the Blue Crew official Instagram saying, quote, unfortunately, Max Anstie will be sidelined from tonight's Birmingham Supercross with a broken leg from a crash in qualifying. He will undergo further evaluation with an update to follow at a later date. So it depends on, what they're actually going to say. But I mean, you already have Vital saying he's out for the year. More than likely that's going to be true. And, never what you want to hear. I mean, this year has been especially bad with the amount of injuries, the amount of just big guys, big names being out, and it sucks. I mean, obviously, as I always say, I want the most talent racing possible, because the more people we have racing, the better the product is, the better the championships are. It's just a more fun thing to go see, to watch in general. You don't want to see people win titles because half the field, or well, at this point, most of the field is just injured. It's just not the way I mean, obviously, for Vial or whoever wins these titles, you got to say you have to be there to win. Like, you have to be healthy at the end, or at least healthy enough at the end to, you know, make it. And for him or whoever does win, good for them, but sucks for Anstie, sucks for the team, and we'll see with an update when they provide one. But comment down below, tell me what you think. What do you think of the Birmingham race? Did you like that Sexton didn't actually throw this one away? Whatever it is, comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.